Hello, Southwest. Welcome back. We're going to be finishing off List 1 in this video, and it's going to work similar to our first video. If you haven't done the first video yet, I would recommend you go ahead and start there, get your practice in, and then come back to this one to finish off List 1. Remember, you're going to see the word, you're going to hear me say the word, and then I'm going to give you a few seconds to repeat the word. All right? We're going to go ahead and start off with where we left off last time, which was right after father. So we're going to start here. And to begin, keep. Tree. Never. Start. City. Earth. Eyes. Light. Thought. Head. Under. Story. All right, and that's where we're going to end this video today. I would recommend you go ahead and practice this a few more times, and go ahead and review the first video again for the first part of List 1, and then the next video you are going to practice saying the words before I say them. So go ahead and get your practice in, and when you're ready, go on over to the next video.